Hello guys, bit of a different camera angle today. We have had the BrewTools steam condenser unit arrive. So very excited. I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing, have a look, see what's in the box, maybe have a look at some of the pieces up close, see if we can figure out what's going on. And then I'll probably follow this up with a quick assembly video. So no, let's not stand on ceremony. Let's get stuck in, shall we? Okay, so some instructions in English and I assume Norwegian. Elbow unit, a hefty piece at that as well, very sizable. Some gaskets, short size there, probably 2 inches. Okay, so that's the 4-inch to 2-inch adapter, so that is, I assume, going to sit on top of the steam hat. The condenser, the rest of the condenser piping is going to sit on top of this, but we'll see. Again, I think that's a 2-inch tri-clamp. Another one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tri-clamp number 6. More paper, I'm not interested in that. Okay. Big piece of piping, again 2-inch wide I believe. Quite sure how long that is, does it say? 20 centimeters. Okay. Another 20 centimeter pipe at 2-inch wide. Keep switching between metric and imperial just to keep you on your toes. What else do we have? Okay, so again 2-inch diameter for the tri-clamp, elbow joint, not an elbow joint, T-joint. Okay, so 2-inch to 90mm barb connector. And a 2-inch to, is it 34mm tri-clamp? Just double check that. Yeah. And then we have the bit that I was most interested about. So this is the nozzle. So let's shift camera and let's have a look at this piece in a little bit more detail. It's a bit more like it. So I am surrounded by beautiful stainless steel. It's shining in my eyes and everything. Could probably wear those as a bracelet. They're massive. Walk around in style wearing your own home brew equipment. You're not stylish unless you're doing that. But anyway, I digress. I'm being rather silly in my excitement. Anyway, so this is the piece that I was most kind of, not confused by, but most intrigued by when I was originally looking at the steam condenser unit. I couldn't quite figure it out from the information that's already out there. So this is a little nozzle. and that's going to provide, the one that comes with the condenser provides 1.1 litres of water at 4 bar pressure. Now I think BrewTools do sell a couple of different versions of this depending on your water pressure, so I think one produces less water and one produces more water, so depending on the pressure system of your water at home, you might want to look at changing the nozzle. I'm not sure what mine is, but yeah, I mean, I'm gonna definitely give this a go, and hopefully it's gonna work. So that is threaded BSP, I believe, if you can see that, and it also comes with a little extender. And at first I was like, how does this go into the 2" to 34mm kind of tri-clamp fitting? And at first I thought, oh well, maybe just got to dangle it in, but that would be really rudimentary. I didn't really expect that was the case, and obviously it's not. I just need to look properly. So this is actually an adapter, so if you can see that, you've not got the full 34mm width of the tri-clamp. It actually reduces to become an adapter for this. Now that thread and that thread are the same. You turn it over and that just screws into there. And again, I was like, well, you know, why am I just kind of extending that piece? But it does make sense if you think about it, because you want to maximise the mist that this is going to be spraying out to where the steam's coming in. So the steam's going to be coming in here, and if you, you can see that it's going to be spraying the mist right at the kind of centre of this join. So you're going to be maximising the amount of steam that you're hitting with cold mist and therefore condensing. So it makes perfect sense that it's extended, and that, yeah, literally just screws into there like that. So thusly, so water in and a tri-clamp. So at the moment I've got a 90mm barb, which I'm going to put on there and see if that works. I'm going to be running the water just from a kind of normal kitchen tap at the moment. You can get 34mm tri-clamp to hose lock adapters. I think they're on Multmiller as well, if you're based in the UK like I am. So I was thinking about picking one of those up. I might just give it a go, yeah, just through the normal kind of piping that I've got. The BrewTools piping, that I don't think it's probably recommended to be worked under pressure, but yeah, I mean, I'm running the water through the counterflow chiller from a normal kitchen tap, yeah, with a few kind of adapters in between, reducers and things like that. It's just kind of fudged together, to be honest, on my side. So I'm going to give this a go with the 90mm barb. Yeah, the reducers and kind of adapters that I've got to fit to the tap. So hopefully that's going to do the job, and that it's not going to be too high pressure, or that I need too much pressure to actually get the water, you know, misting out properly. So there you go. That's how that works. That is the mystery that I wanted unravelled by myself. So I'm going to put this together. Maybe, like I say, do a bit of a step-by-step video for it, and yeah, I'll show you the steps and I'll show you the end product. So thank you for watching. If you like the videos, want to see more, keep up to speed with BrewTools and my own personal journey with the BrewTools B80 Pro, then please do like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.